I'm graduating in May with an economics degree, and I couldn't be more excited. I've had the best time here at this program. My professors have just always provided an opportunity for me to go to approach them if I've had any problems in class or just wanted their advice on like a problem, say a job interview. The program has allowed me to be put into challenging positions as like presenting in a conference or going and apply to an internship. And just being able to have that experience really prepares you in a real life scenario. The best experience I've had within this program was developing my senior project, and it really allowed me to apply all the knowledge that I've had from my previous courses and put it into one project and present it to my classmates, and it really showed me just how much I took away from the program. I've been able to be introduced to many important people in our community. I've met government officials, I've also met CEOs within our community, and this gave me a really good understanding of the importance of networking and staying in contact and actually just talking to these people one-on-one, and I think that's just absolutely cool to do. I hope to be an actuary someday, someone who predicts risk in the economy. These companies are looking for someone who knows how to do that. Within the program, I'm able to use my economics knowledge and my mathematical skills to be able to provide that information and predict these risks in the economy, and that's something I can't wait to show these companies what I can actually do.